Hello, this is from Team Catching. Let's talk about a problem nearly every Malaysian faces when it comes to digital payments. You have too many wallets, bank apps, and too many passwords. Each platform wants you to sign up, upload your IC, repeat KYC, and remember another login. And the worst part? Anyone with your wallet PIN or password can spend your money. This is inconvenient and insecure. That's how we came up with PayID, a secure identity powered payment layer that lets anyone pay anywhere using just their verified My Digital ID. So for our solution, one identity equals all payments. We use My Digital ID as a secure identity layer that sits beneath all your banks and e-wallets. You only on board once by uploading your IC and verify identity by scanning your face. Once verified, My Digital ID issues a cryptographically signed identity token that becomes your trusted digital passport across all platforms and is used to verify your identity and authorize payments. And here's the game changer. Because all your banks and e-wallets are linked to your My Digital ID, logging in through PayID gives you instant access to all your accounts in one place. Whether it's Maybank, Touch and Go, and others, you get a unified financial dashboard powered by your My Digital ID. And for the user flow, users will have to upload their IC and validate their identity through face recognition during the KYC process. After successfully completing KYC, My Digital ID will send the user's identity token and it will be stored in PayID. When users make payment either through tapping their IC or scan face in shops, the identity token will be used to verify identity and authorize the payments. So for our business model, we will be implementing API and SDK licensing, micro-transaction fee, and KYC as a service. And this is our market size. Now let's move on to the demo. So this is how our web page looks like, and users can start the KYC by pressing the Start Scan button here. So here users will have to enter their name, IC number, and upload the image of their IC. So next, users will have to scan their face to validate their identity. Once completing KYC, My Digital ID will assign a digital identity token and store in PayID. Since all of the banks and wallets are also binded to My Digital ID, users can go to the dashboard and access all their payment accounts, as you can see here, no matter bank or wallet, and also view their recent transactions. So with the digital identity token stored in PayID, users can make secure, seamless payments using just their face or their My Card. Let's walk through how PayID works in real-life scenarios. In the first scenario, we demonstrate a face pay mode. The user walks up to a PayID-enabled terminal. This could be a cafe self-checkout, a campus kiosk, or any other places. There's a camera integrated into the terminal, and no phone or card is needed. The user simply looks into the camera. Instantly, the system matches their face to the PayID profile they created during My Digital ID registration, and once the match is successful, PayID retrieves the user's digitally signed identity token, confirms their identity, fetches their linked payment account, and proceeds with the transaction automatically. And in the second scenario, the user doesn't have their phone with them or there's no internet connection. This is where PayID's NFC fallback comes in. The user simply taps their physical My Card, which is IC, on an NFC-enabled POS terminal, and inside the chip on the IC card is a digitally signed identity token securely issued by My Digital ID. Even in offline situations, PayID is able to verify the token's digital signature, confirm its validity and validity, and match it with the user's linked payment source. And once authenticated, the system processes the transaction on the spot. That's it for our presentation. Thank you.